To prepare torrijas, you need a pot, a pan, and a wooden stick or wooden spoon or something similar. The ingredients you need are 6 slices of stale bread, 1 cinnamon stick, lemon peel, 100 grams of sugar, 300 milliliters of milk, ground cinnamon, and olive oil. You also need 1 egg. In a pot, you pour the milk and you add the lemon peel and the cinnamon stick. Heat it and boil it 3 times. When it boils 3 times, it is finished. Beat the egg. Heat the olive oil in the pan. Mix the cinnamon and the sugar. Soak the bread in the milk. Then soak the bread in the egg. And then fry the bread. Finally, soak the torrija in the sugar and cinnamon. And that's all. Bon appétit!